Craving a quick, flavor-packed snack? Try this cheesy chili sandwich. By Rajlakshmi. October 24, 2025. Sandwiches are the ultimate comfort food when hunger strikes or cravings hit. Whether you love eggs, cheese, meats, or butter, you can stack them with endless fillings. But here's where it gets exciting. For your next snack break, why not make a zesty cheese chili sandwich that's both simple and bursting with flavor? This recipe is so easy that anyone can whip it up in minutes, and the result is irresistibly satisfying. Ingredients: ½ cup mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes, 1/2 tablespoon mixed herbs, 2 medium onions, finely chopped, 1 capsicum, cut into thin strips, 100 to 125 grams paneer, diced into small cubes, 2 tablespoons sweet corn, 2 fresh chillis, chopped, 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, 1 packet of your favorite bread, butter as needed, 1 to 2 cheese slices, salt to taste. Step 1. In a spacious mixing bowl, combine the mayonnaise and tomato ketchup. Sprinkle in the chili flakes and mixed herbs, then stir until the mixture is smooth and well blended. This forms a creamy, flavorful base for your sandwich filling. Step 2. Add the chopped capsicum, diced paneer, onions, chillis, and sweet corn to the bowl. Mix thoroughly to coat all the ingredients with the mayonnaise ketchup blend. Finally, sprinkle the chili powder over the mixture for an extra kick. Step 3. Take 2 slices of bread and spread butter evenly across each slice. If you want an extra layer of flavor, add a thin spread of green chutney on top of the butter. It adds a refreshing tanginess that balances the spice. Step 4. Place your cheese slices on each buttered bread slice. Then, generously add the prepared paneer and vegetable filling on 1 slice of bread. Step 5. Cover it with the second slice of bread to form a sandwich. Heat a tawa or skillet over medium heat and place your sandwich on it. Step 6. Cook the sandwich until the cheese begins to melt and the bread turns a golden brown. Flip it carefully to toast the other side, ensuring both sides are crisp and the filling is heated through. Step 7. Remove the sandwich from the heat and slice it into equal halves. Serve immediately with tea, coffee, or your favorite beverage for a snack that's sure to delight. And this is the part most people miss. Adding just the right amount of chillis and herbs makes the flavor pop without overpowering the creamy cheese and paneer. Want a little more heat or a different twist? Experiment with extra toppings like grilled mushrooms, tomatoes, or even a dash of hot sauce. This simple yet flavorful sandwich proves that snack time doesn't have to be boring. What's your take? Do you prefer it fiery or mild? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let the debate begin.